influenced by our numerous knowledge centers. They attract students from Andromeda and beyond, looking for a stellar education. We are proud of our foundational learning, and teachers are highly respected on our planet. Caring for the environment is one of our core principles. Our lush, exotic gardens are the envy of the galaxy. Recreational areas for all to enjoy. Our biomes feature rare species of flora across the galaxy, such as hydroceans from your planet Terra. Our advanced building materials allow structures in the universe, creating an impressive urban skyline. Over the course of periods of total sunlight, shifting to periods of total darkness. During a light cycle, our triple suns appear close together in the sky, creating spectacular sunsets and sunrises. The light casts moving shadows across the city. As the capital of the Nova Empire, Xandar is home to over 12 billion citizens. Xandar's urban core is home to some of our most unique residences, the vistas of our aquatic world. Xandar is also home to the Nova Core,
offering natural spaces for our 12 billion residents to live, work, and play.
But these steam vessels aren't all coolly calculated function.
Eternally grateful. I am Coleman Ridley. I recently graduated from the Academy to do work that encourages peace and collaboration. This is why I requested this at Congress.
But we couldn't have done it without Will.
That's right.
And here he is now. Peter, Will, what do you have to say about this?
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then we're likely doomed.
Trammps!
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
From existence.
What have we done?
I think we're going back.
It's an honorary title. They're not coming with us. I see. It is meaningless. Well, then welcome to
Cherries, we have so much for your delight. Please feel free to look around. If you have visited our Wonders of Xandar Pavilion, then you know. What you may not know is I am a personal friend of Peter Quill. Don't mention it. He doesn't like to make a big deal and I don't like to brag. But customer in my shop on Xandar. I stand behind all my products. If you have any concerns, please times may be longer than usual.
O olho caindo assim. Mas foi aquela hora que não, vida.
I am the broker, and I am delighted to offer treasures from Xandar and the